Hello everyone and welcome back to Everyday English Talk channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lisa.
Hello, Lisa, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is great to be back today.
How are you doing today, Jack? I am doing very well, thank you. It's good to see you again.
Always good to talk with you, Lisa. So what are we chatting about today?
Today we are talking about daily English conversation practice.
I love that it's something everyone can use.
Yes, because learning English is not only about grammar or reading books, it's about speaking a little bit every day.
That's true. Practice makes perfect right.
Exactly, small daily practice helps you sound more natural.
So what kind of daily practice are we talking about?
Easy conversations, the kind you can have anywhere, like when you buy coffee or talk to a friend or ask for directions.
Okay, that sounds fun. Let's start with coffee because I need one right now.
Ha ha ha, me too. Okay, you be the customer and I'll be the barista. Ready?
Ready? Okay, here I go. Hello, can I have one coffee, please?
Sure, would you like a hot coffee or an iced coffee?
It's a hot day, maybe iced coffee, please?
Good choice. What size, small, medium or large?
Medium, please.
Yeah. Okay, one medium iced coffee. Would you like milk or just black?
Just black, thank you.
Anything else, maybe a cookie or sandwich?
Oh, cookie sounds good. Do you have chocolate chip?
Let me see. Yes, we do chocolate chip cookie.
Great, one cookie, please.
Perfect, that will be $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your cookie. Your coffee will be ready in 1 minute.
Awesome, thanks.
And that's it, easy, right?
Super easy, but also very useful.
Yes, those short sentences are real English people use every day.
Like, can I have please, thank you, how much is it?
Exactly, polite and simple words make you sound friendly.
I always forget to say please sometimes.
Then you must practice saying please and thank you every time. It's a good habit.
Okay, what next? Shopping, maybe?
Yes, good idea. Shopping is great for practice. You can talk about colors, sizes, prices.
All right, this time I work in the shop and you are the customer.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please, I'm looking for a blue shirt.
So, blue shirts are over here. What size are you?
Medium.
Here you go. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please, where is the fitting room?
Just over there.
Okay, I tried it on. It looks good. I love the color.
It suits you well. How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great, will you pay with cash or card?
With card, please.
All done, here's your shirt. Thank you, have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
See, easy again.
Yes, and very realistic.
So the key questions are, can I help you? I'm looking for how much is it? I'll take it.
Perfect. Those are essential for shopping.
I like these small role plays. It helps me imagine real life.
That's the idea. Practice conversations you might really have.
Okay, next. What if I get lost? I always get lost.
Then you need to ask for directions politely.
Okay, like, excuse me, can you help me? I'm lost.
Perfect. That's very polite. You can also say, excuse me, where is the train station or where is the bathroom?
Oh, bathroom, yes, the most important place.
Haha, true. Let's practice.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight, turn left, and it's on the right side.
Go straight, turn left on the right. Got it, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That was simple.
Yes, it's not scary if you speak slowly and smile.
Okay, I will remember that. Okay, Lisa. Now that we learned about coffee and shopping and directions, can we talk about small talk?
Yes, that's my favorite part because small talk makes you sound friendly and confident.
What exactly is small talk?
Small talk means short, easy conversation, for example, when you meet someone new or when you wait for the bus.
Oh, like when you say nice weather today.
Exactly. It helps people feel comfortable.
Okay, let's try a small talk example, maybe meeting someone new.
Good idea. We are at a party. Ready?
Ready, hello. My name is Jake.
Hi, Jake. I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, the music is great and the food is good. How about you?
I like it too. Lots of nice people here.
So, Jake, what do you do?
I'm a student. I study business, and you?
I teach English. Wow, look, we are already talking.
Ha ha ha. Yes, it's easy when you ask small questions.
That's right. You can ask, what do you do? Where are you from? Do you live here?
And hobbies. Right? People like to talk about hobbies.
Yes, that's another good topic. Let's continue the same talk.
Okay, so Lisa, what do you do in your free time?
I love reading and cooking. What about you?
I like to play guitar and sometimes I watch movies.
That's cool. What kind of movies?
Mostly comedy. I like to laugh. Ha ha ha.
Me too. Laughter is good practice for breathing English words.
Breathing English words that sounds funny.
I mean, when you laugh or smile, your mouth relaxes and your speaking becomes clearer.
Oh, interesting tip. I will practice smiling English then.
Please do. Ha ha ha.
Okay, how about making plans with a friend that's also small talk?
Yes, we can try that. Imagine you call me on the phone.
Ring ring. Hello?
Hi, Jake. It's Lisa. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks, how are you?
I'm great. Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday, let me think. Yes, I'm free in the afternoon.
Perfect. Do you want to go to the park? The weather will be nice.
Sure, what time?
Around 2 p.m., eh?
2 p.m. sounds good. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the big fountain.
Great, see you then?
Easy and friendly.
Yes. And if I was busy, I could say, I'm sorry, I'm busy on Saturday.
Exactly. And then offer another day that's polite.
Like I'm busy on Saturday, but free on Sunday.
Right, that shows you still want to spend time with the person.
I notice we always use nice words like please, sorry, thank you.
Because politeness is the heart of small talk. It makes conversation smooth.
Okay, let's practice another one talking about the weather.
Classic English topic. Yes, we love weather talk. Ha ha ha. Imagine we are waiting for the bus. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it? Yes, it's sunny and warm. I love it.
Me too, yesterday was so cold.
I know I almost needed 3 jackets.
Ha 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 ha, 3 jackets, you are funny.
Or if it's raining, you can say, oh, I can't believe this rain.
And then someone will say yes. I need a boat to go home.
Ha 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 ha. Exactly, see. Even bad weather is good for small talk.
So, Lisa, weather is the easiest topic.
Yes, everyone can talk about it. You don't need deep knowledge, just feelings.
Like I love sunny days or it's too hot today.
Exactly, those small phrases keep conversation alive.
I like that alive conversation.
Yes, small talk is like watering a plant. It keeps friendship growing.
So, Lisa, we learned a lot today. Coffee shop small talk, weather, and making plans.
Yes, Jake. And remember, small talk is not only for friends. You can also use it at work or school.
Oh, like when I meet my teacher in the hallway.
Yes, or when you see a classmate before class, just say, hey, how's it going?
Or when I go to a shop, I can say, how are you today?
Exactly, it shows respect and friendliness.
Sometimes I worry, what if the person doesn't answer?
That's okay. Maybe they are busy, just smile and move on.
Smiling is also small talk, right?
Yes, a smile says hello without words.
I like that. Ha 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 ha.
Now let's review useful small talk phrases.
Okay, ready?
First, greetings. You can say hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon. How are you?
How's it going? What's up?
Nice next, asking simple questions. What do you do? Where are you from? Do you live here?
Or how was your weekend?
Yes, that's a good one.
Then talking about hobbies, what do you do in your free time?
Or I like reading and cooking. What about you?
Talking about weather, it's nice today, it's too hot today.
Or I can't believe this rain. Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha ha, yes, that one's funny.
And don't forget about ending small talk politely.
Right, like, okay, I need to go. Now, it was nice talking to you.
Or have a great day, see you later.
Or talk to you soon, take care.
Perfect. Those are friendly and natural.
I also hear people say take it easy.
Yes, that's very casual and friendly.
Okay, let's do one complete small talk from start to finish for practice.
Great idea you start.
Hi, Lisa, how are you?
Hi, Jake. I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm doing fine. It's a bit cold today, isn't it?
Yes, I was freezing this morning. Ah, ha, ha.
Ha ha ha, me too. So what are you doing this weekend?
I might go shopping and meet a friend. What about you?
I'll probably stay home and watch movies.
Sounds relaxing.
Yeah, I need a lazy day sometimes.
True, we all do.
Well, I have to go now. It was nice talking to you.
You too, Jake. See you soon.
Bye, Lisa.
Bye, Jake. Have a great day.
That was fun and simple.
Yes, that's the beauty of small talk. Easy, short, but friendly.
And great for practicing English every day.
Exactly. Talk a little every day, and soon you'll speak naturally.
Lisa, can we give our viewers a small challenge?
Of course, what's the challenge?
Today, talk to one person in English, say hello, and ask one question.
That's a perfect challenge.
It can be online or in real life, right?
Yes, anywhere practice makes progress.
Not practice makes perfect.
No, ha ha ha. We say progress because perfection is not the goal.
I like that progress, not perfect.
Yes, so everyone remember start with small talk and grow your confidence.
Okay, Lisa, time to finish.
Yes, let's say goodbye.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to Everyday English Talk.
We hope you learned new phrases today.
And remember, practice small talk every day.